Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off in the market here today. So SPX, pretty decent here. All right, monthly chart, we're still off of the mid-Bollinger Band. We haven't closed above that yet. Weekly chart, inside week up so far, filled the open gap off of a prior inside week, and then came back in, in range right here. So it's okay. It did its job. Now it has to get strong and try to close above it. Otherwise, if this week closes with a shooting star type candle, it might want to test the other side of the inside week. Daily chart. Bullish still proven otherwise, but it doesn't feel that way. Down 15 points today. At least we're not down 50. We are still holding the upper trend line right here, so let's see if that continues to hold. Right, and that just was about filling that weekly gap right there and kind of pulling back in today. So it's pretty interesting there. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart on the SPY. So SPY, this is fun. We pointed out a nice short at the open right today. So just some great opportunities to the downside here, despite the bullish still proven otherwise. Right, you just got to go with the price action, right? So it just couldn't hold up today. Pushed down, so gave a nice move today. Choppy price action after this big move down, right? So you got to be careful, right? So this is one of those levels that you kind of look at right there, right? This is a pre-market level right here that held, right? We also held the the upper of the pre-market box, right? So your after hours levels right here. Okay, so moves don't go forever, right? They do find support somewhere, and so one quick area to look at is those after hours levels, and that's where we bounced today. And then at the end of the day, we caught a nice move right here through this beautiful inside 15 right there, through this nice geometric line, and we've been talking about that this week, right? And then boom, for a great move to the downside, just beautiful. And then you have the ES right here, same thing, right? Breakdown right here, inside 15 forming after hours, and then very similar, of course, with the micros. It's a nice move here as well. You can see here that it's basically forming like a kind of a head and shoulders right here. Right, so you had a mini head and shoulders right here, which never broke down, worked its way up. Now it's forming a bigger head and shoulders right here. So this level is going to be really key to see how it handles that tonight. Good stuff. Let's take a look at the Qs and see how they're doing. So Qs, okay, had a rough day today, right? Bearish engulfing candle right to the trend line, and now it looks like after hours they're bouncing up, probably on the on Google, which we'll take a look at in a little bit right here. So let's see how that holds up. Going to there, let's take a look at some of the other big names. Let's take a look at Apple. Okay, so Apple was an interesting one, right? We broke down below this channel level. Great move down today, inside 15 down, and then finally broke down below that channel after hours. I know some of our members capitalized on that. Tesla's a little bit rough today, right? So gave a couple moves down. Nice reversal off of the lows right here. It was a prior breakout level. Inside 15 down, though, this morning. So many great short opportunities at the open today. Just got to be able to switch gears and be like, okay, this is what's happening, right? Amazon. Right, beautiful move too. Inside 15 down, another inside 15, which pushed its way down that side. Okay, let's take a look at Google. Just reported. I think they had bad earnings, but good revenue. And so they spiked on that news, but are having trouble getting over the high of the day right now. So see how that holds right here, upper shadow right here off of Google. AMD, they're going to be reporting, I believe. What time are they reporting here? Anyone? This evening, pretty soon. So definitely keep an eye on AMD. That could affect the semiconductors. Boeing reporting, I believe, tomorrow morning. Okay, so keep an eye on Boeing. That's going to be a very interesting one. Starbucks, in play today. It was in play today. There's a couple good moves on this. A nice inside 15 up, and they got earnings here. They're down a little bit here, but still holding today's low. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that on the 15 orb radar for tomorrow. And then Weight Watchers earnings. We're going to see earnings tomorrow, so definitely keep this one. Could be I'm sorry, I thought it was Weight Watchers. Sorry guys, WW. Forgive me. Anyway, WW earnings tomorrow, probably not going to be as big a deal, but there it is. Let's take, now that we're here, we may as well take a look at it. I was thinking W. So anyway, good stuff right here. So a little bit of a hammer day. Let's see how it handles that one. Okay, so on WW International, anybody who trades that one. So anyway, good stuff, guys. I hope everybody has a great evening. Thanks everybody for tuning in, and stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you guys soon.